Meaning of dance umbrella.
Dance umbrella.
Dance umbrella.
Dance umbrella.
Dance umbrella. Dance Umbrella is a contemporary dance festival that takes place annually in London, UK. Established in 1978, it has a reputation for showcasing exceptional talent from around the world, as well as commissioning new work from emerging and established choreographers. The festival offers a diverse program of performances, workshops, and events, providing opportunities for audiences to engage with contemporary dance and its practitioners. With a commitment to experimentation and innovation, Dance Umbrella continues to be a major cultural highlight on the British arts calendar.